You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 120. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 60 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 120.